In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Flow account. Before we begin, it's important to understand what you can and can't remove. Google Flow lives inside your broader Google account, so in most cases you can't delete Flow by itself. What you can do is cancel any paid Flow subscription, turn off access if you're on a school or work account that uses Google Workspace, or if you want a complete clean slate, delete your entire Google account. I'll walk you through each option so you can choose the one that fits your situation. If you're paying for Flow through Google services, start by canceling the subscription. On Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, and go to Subscriptions. Find the Flow or AI-related subscription in your list, select it, and tap Cancel Subscription. Confirm the prompts to finish. This stops future billing immediately, but you'll typically keep access until the end of your current billing period. That means no surprise renewals, and you can still use any remaining time you've already paid for. It's a good idea to look for a cancellation confirmation in your email so you know it went through. If you're using Flow through a school or company account, access is managed by your organization's administrator. In that case, Flow can be turned off in the Google admin console. The admin would locate the Flow service and set it to off for the relevant users or organizational units. If you're not the admin, reach out to your IT team or workspace administrator and request that they disable Flow for your account. Changes like this can take a little time to apply across all services, so give it a moment after the setting is updated. If you want Flow completely gone because you're finished with all Google services, you can delete your entire Google account. Go to your Google account settings, open the Data and Privacy section, select Delete your Google account, and follow the confirmation steps on screen. Be aware this is permanent and removes everything tied to that account, including Gmail, Drive, Photos, Calendar, Purchases, and of course, Flow. You may also lose access to devices and sign-ins that depend on that account. Make sure you truly intend to remove the whole account and consider saving anything important beforehand. To recap, cancel your subscription if you just want billing to stop. Ask your admin to disable Flow if it's a managed account, or delete your Google account if you want full removal. Choose the path that matches your goal, proceed carefully, and you'll be set.